created a drink water notification reminder app in Python, and you can too by just writing 15 lines of Python. Is not it amazing? So, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, let's dig deep into the video. This application will track time and show you notification after a brief period of time to remind you to drink water. We are going to use Plier module to show the notification and the time module to run the module after a fixed period of time. You can install Plier by typing pip install Plier on the terminal/cmd. For better understanding, watch the complete video. Okay, so now let's hop into the coding part. Alright guys, so now we will be coding this water reminder app in our Python. So first we will be importing our library. It is called Plier, and now we will be typing, oh sorry, so first we have to not type, we do not type import, type from. Okay, so from Plier import. Okay, so I'll just type this again, from Plier import notification. Alright, and save this. Then type import time. I hope you have already installed the module I had told you about in the starting, and how to install it is pip install Plier. That's it. Then we will be typing the title. So I will be typing it as my name. So Parth, please drink water. Okay, let's save this. And then we will be typing the message as what we can do is we can search on Google some interesting facts about water. So I'll just copy a couple of these, like 3, and I'll quickly go and paste this, and we'll be adding this as 3. We'll be adding 3 of these, so that uh, because there is like gaps there and dots, so that is why we need to add 3 colons. And then we will be now telling it about the notification. So notification dot notify, then title is equals to title, comma, I have written title is equals to title because we have already made a variable by the name of title, so it can get it from there. Now we will be typing message is equals to message. Then we will be typing app underscore icon is equals to, I have already downloaded this, so let me tell you how to. I have given a link down below in the description box. Let me just show it. Yeah, here, this is the link. So when you click on it, you'll come on this page, scroll down and click on ICO, and then what you can do is you can copy the file and paste it in your folder where you are coding this. Okay, so now I will be typing timeout is equals to let's say 5 seconds for this video, and then we will be typing toast is equals to uh, false. Okay, and I'll save this. And now what I will do is, let's try running this. Hopefully it should work. Okay, it says there's an error in this, in the name. Okay, so what I will do is I'll just uh, add this comma here and a comma here too. So now if we run this, so here you can see that we have got a notification saying, let me run this again. So it is saying parts, please drink water. And then what we have written here in the message, we have got that. So you can increase the time, in the timeout you can increase this, and then it will be there, it will be visible for longer periods of time. So and like, if you guys like this video, then make sure to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. So till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.